Nais mo bang alamin kung ano ang verb? Panoorin ang bidyong ito para malaman mo kung ano ito. Keep on watching to learn something. Hello kids! This is your teacher Sheshe once again and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to have a new lesson. But before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay? Are you ready? Come on, let's start! What is a verb? Verb is a word that does an action. It describes the things that we do. It is also called an action word. Here are some examples of verb. Eat, play, run, jump, drink, verb or action word is a very important part of a sentence. It describes the doer's action or state of being. We use these words to communicate about the different events in our life. And now, kids, let us use verbs in a sentence. He reads a book. Reads is a word that does an action. Reads is a verb. Ara sings her favorite song. Sings is a word that does an action. Sings is a verb. LJ cleans the house. Cleans is a word that does an action. Cleans is a verb. Riley sleeps in her bed. Sleeps is a word that does an action. Sleeps is a verb. Arman writes a poem. Writes is a word that does an action. Writes is a verb. Let us see how well you understand our lesson. Let's try this. Circle the verb used in the following sentences. Number 1. Manny walks faster. Walks. That is correct. Number 2. Ella sweeps the floor. Sweeps. That is correct. Number 3. Mark hops like a rabbit. Hops. That is correct. Number 4. Joshua draws his favorite cartoon character. Draws. You are correct. Number 5. Ronald washes the dishes. Washes. You are correct. Rylan climbs in the tree. Climbs. You are correct. My mother cooks delicious spaghetti. Cooks. You are correct. Number 8. Romeo sells different vegetables. Sells. Excellent. Number 9. Shekinah dances gracefully. Dances. Very good. Armin kicks the ball. Kicks. You are correct. And now, you are already know what is verb. Thank you for watching. God bless us all.